So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put your logo on a t-shirt or any other clothing, whatever you want to promote, just by using Canva. And this is a one-click process, and it's totally free. Now, in order to do it, under this left window, you simply need to go to this option of apps right here, and under here you need to search for mockup 3D. Now, once you search it, open this first application right here, and under here it will ask, you'll see multiple models right there. Now select any of the short image you want, for example this one. If I select this one, now all you need to do is to just simply upload an image or whatever image you want to. For example, if I go to the upload section and select any image from here as well, or I can directly select any image from here as well, and once you apply it over here, it's a 3D model of the image, and it will automatically combines all over it. And once you hit on this option of add to design, it will directly come onto your page, and you can just simply do the things you want to do on the shirts, and it's you don't need to blend it manually. It will automatically get adapted to it. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.